Hello and welcome to SIBO Volatility 411. My name is Dan Deming and I'm a KKM Financial. Well, the VIX cash is ticking slightly higher here today from 1240 up to about 1275 currently as the markets are coming off early higher price action. The trade slightly lower on the day, but also moving into a 3-day weekend. That's having an impact on the VIX cash as we move towards expiration next week. So after today, just one day of trading for those January options and futures expiring next Wednesday. Realized volatility, 30-day realized volatility ticking slightly higher week over week from 7.5 up to 8.25%, but from a historical perspective, still at the very low end of the range when you look at it, readings for 30-day realized volatility. At the money straddle in the SPX looking 30 days out, implied vol of 10.8%. That's unchanged on a week over week basis. Moving in the VIX futures, front month future, that January future holding 50 cents a premium to cash here at these levels headed into expiration. Now, the February-March roll, which will become the lead roll next week, has $1 of positive roll in it. And looking at the term structure, it's flattening some this week as we're seeing the back month futures coming in a little bit relative to the shorter dated futures. And all the futures are currently priced below 18 going out to the middle of next summer. Options action, a lot of activity here today as we move towards expiration. 12.5 puts trade 11 cents 30,000 times today in January. January 13-14 call spread trades 10,000 times. January 16 calls trade 18,000 times. Then we go into February. A couple of big trades. First, the February 12-15 call spread 1x2 trades 21,000 by 42,000. Then the big trade of the day was the February 17 calls trade 265,000 times today. Next week, several things that influence the vol structure. As I mentioned, holiday shortened week, expiration being one of the primary drivers next week. Market momentum, also another factor. We have some data points and earnings also. But really, next week, the focus will be on expiration for January as we have several big lots of options coming off.